In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a personalized first name greeting in Mailchimp emails. Personalizing your emails is one of the simplest ways to make your messages feel friendly and relevant. In Mailchimp, this is done with a merge tag that automatically pulls each subscriber's first name into your greeting. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can set it up with confidence. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Locate the email campaign you want to personalize and open it. If you're working from a draft, you'll be able to jump right into editing. Next, click Edit Email. Depending on your view, you may see Edit Email more than once. Go ahead and click it again if prompted, so you enter the full email editor. This ensures you're inside the content area where you can make text changes. Now, click directly inside the email body where you want the subscriber's name to appear. Most people place it in the first line of the message, typically as the greeting. Once your cursor is in the right spot, type exactly this: "Hi, off name," and then continue your sentence or start your message. That merge tag, spelled star vertical bar FNAME vertical bar star, tells Mailchimp to replace it with the recipient's first name from your audience data when the email is sent. The comma after the tag is optional, but helps your greeting read naturally, like "Hi, Alex." A couple of quick tips so this works smoothly. Make sure you're typing the tag in a normal text block, not as an image or a button label, because merge tags only render in text. Keep the spacing and punctuation simple. Extra spaces before the comma can look odd. If you've collected first names for most of your audience, this will feel warm and personal. If some contacts don't have a first name on file, the tag may render as a blank space, so write your next few words in a way that still reads politely. That's all there is to it. By opening your account, going to Campaigns, opening your email campaign, clicking Edit Email as needed, and adding "Hi, name" right where you want the greeting, you've added a powerful personal touch. Personalization like this often improves engagement because readers feel the message was written for them. Apply it thoughtfully, and your emails will start on a more human note.